how to make an all-American burger. It is very simple and it's going to be extremely delicious. So let's begin with the burger patty first. I've taken about 200 grams of mince meat. Now this you can also make with chicken mince. The recipe is the same as I'm making with the mince meat. In the same way you can do it with the chicken mince. To this I'm going to add 1 yolk, not the white, only the yolk part, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We can do seasoning again later. To this I will add about 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes so that it will be a little spicy and even more tasty. We are going to mix all this, combine all this. Now this white part that you can see, this is actually mutton fat. So I've put little bit of the mutton fat also in it so that it makes the burger a little juicy. Mix it all very well. We are now going to make the patty for the burger. We are going to make a nice thick patty, not a thin one. Now this patty is the size of my burger bun. So see that the edges are not very thin. This is my grilled pan. I have already put it on high. I'm going to put butter on it and spread it. When the pan is hot, I'm going to put my patty on it. Now do not touch the patty for about at least 3 minutes. Then we can turn it over. I like my burger with grilled onions. So I'm going to grill it and it will caramelize. I'm going to put this pan on medium so that the onions don't burn. The onions are caramelizing beautifully, and in another 2 minutes I'm going to take it out. I've buttered the burger buns and I'm going to toast it because a cold burger bun will become soggy in no time. So it's always good to toast your burger buns and on both the sides. I've turned the burger patty and see the good char marks on it. It's cooked on this side and now we are going to cover it and cook it on the other side. Now I'm going to put a slice of cheese on top of this and I'm going to cover it. You can cover it with anything. I'm covering it with this. I'm turning the burger buns and let it cook on the other side too. The cheese has melted nicely and it's sticking to the patty. So I'm going to remove this. It's time to remove the buns. Now just toss the onions around in the pan so that it soaks up all the juices of the patty. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remove all the onions. I've taken about half a cup of mayonnaise. Into that I've put Sriracha sauce to get a good kick out of this. And now I'm going to spread this on the burger bun. Add some lettuce. Add tomatoes. On top of the tomatoes goes the caramel onions. I put the burger patty on top of the onions, and if you wish, you can put another layer. I like it, so I'm putting another layer of salad and then cover it up. And I'm going to put a stick into it so that it all holds together. This is my version of an all-American burger. I just can't wait to dig in. You all must try it in your own home kitchen. You will not regret it.